Everyone's blueprint to become a millionaire usually involves waking up at 4 a.m., working 80-hour weeks, and sacrificing everything. But I've built a business that's generated over $50 million in revenue by doing the exact opposite. And I've helped thousands of normal people, parents, people in their 50s, people with no startup cash, do the same. So if you've been stuck in a cycle of lots of effort with little to show for it, don't worry, because in this video, I'm gonna walk you through 3 simple steps that get you off the hamster wheel to nowhere and on the path to financial freedom. Step 1 isn't a complicated business plan. It's the one thing that dictates your outcome: having a millionaire mindset. The truth is, the strategies I'm about to share won't work with the wrong mindset. You can have the best roadmap in the world, but it's useless if your internal compass is broken. This isn't about thinking positive. This is about making a series of strategic shifts in how you see yourself and the world. The first shift is from the grind to alignment. We've been sold a lie, a toxic myth, that the path to wealth is paved with 80-hour work weeks and sacrificing everything that's important to you. The grind mindset asks, how much can I endure? This leads to burnout and resentment. The alignment mindset asks, can I design a path that fuels me? This leads to consistency, creativity, and joy in the process. It's the difference between rowing against a raging current and sailing with a powerful wind at your back. Both take effort, only one feels effortless. An aligned mindset understands that sustainable wealth is built when your work energizes you, not drains you. This creates a state of flow where progress feels natural and fulfilling. It's built on 3 pillars. Passion. What problems do you genuinely enjoy solving? Building a business around a problem you love to solve turns work into play. Personality. This is about honoring your natural strengths. Are you an introvert who thrives in deep, focused work, or are you a big picture, creative extrovert? The introvert can build a $1 million empire through writing. The extrovert can build it through networking and public speaking. Don't fight who you are, leverage it. And purpose. Passion can be exciting, but purpose is what gets you through the inevitable challenges. Your why must be bigger than just a number in a bank account. It's the impact you want to make on your family, your community, or the world. The second shift is from victimhood to ownership. Once you've found your aligned path, you must become the CEO of that mission. Stop acting like an unpaid intern in your own life. A victim mindset says, I can't afford it. An ownership mindset asks, how can I afford it? Millionaires have a mindset of radical responsibility. They don't blame the economy, their boss, their upbringing, or bad luck. They take 100% ownership of their finances and their future. Third, you must shift from scarcity to abundance. Most people operate from a scarcity mindset, a belief that there's a limited amount of money, success, and opportunity to go around. A millionaire mindset operates from abundance. A scarcity mindset hoards information, fears competition, and thinks win-lose. If you win, I lose. An abundance mindset shares knowledge, seeks collaboration, and thinks win-win. We can both succeed. Fourth, shift from a consumer to an investor. The average person spends their resources, their time, energy, and money on things that disappear. A millionaire invests in assets that grow, and your greatest asset is you. Every hour is a choice. A consumer spends for immediate gratification, a new show on Netflix, a designer bag. An investor spends for future value, a course to learn a new skill, a book to master a craft, an hour to start the side project. Look at your last 3 non-essential purchases. Were they consumption or an investment? What's one investment you can make in yourself this week? The 5th shift is courage over comfort. Your comfort zone is a beautiful place, but nothing ever grows there, especially your dream. Building anything meaningful requires stepping into uncertainty and taking calculated risks. Comfort is avoiding risk, fear, or looking foolish and staying in a safe but unfulfilling situation. Courage is acting in spite of fear. Getting out of your comfort zone is the price you pay for a better life. I challenge you to take action on it within the next 24 hours. And finally, the sixth shift. Become a lifelong learner. The most expensive sentence in business is, "I already know that." Your current knowledge got you here, but it won't get you to the next level. A commitment to continuous learning and self-improvement is non-negotiable for long-term success. Read books, listen to podcasts, find mentors, invest in whatever helps you master your craft and gets you closer to achieving financial freedom. These 6 shifts are the foundation. They're a daily practice. Now that we've set your foundation, that brings us to step 2. You need a strategy that actually works in today's world. The big buzz right now is AI. Everyone's saying the same thing. Use AI, automate everything, cut costs, scale faster. They're calling it the biggest revolution in business history. But what if they're all wrong? What if the race to automate is actually a race to the bottom, a race to become completely forgettable? In this next step, I'm going to show you why the greatest opportunity of the next decade isn't in AI, but in what AI can never replace. This is the Zigg when others zag strategy. It's how you build a business that people don't just buy from, but fall in love with. First, let's talk about the zag. This is what almost every business is doing right now. They see AI as a magic button, a way to churn out 100 blog posts instead of 1, a way to handle customer service without paying salaries. On paper, the numbers look great. Cost goes down, output goes up. But look what's happening. Every blog post starts to sound the same. Every social media post has the same empty positivity, a slightly off tone that feels manufactured. Customer support interaction feels sterile because you're talking to a machine that can't truly understand you. When everyone zags, when everyone uses the same tools, everyone starts to look the same. And when you look the same as everyone else, you only compete on one thing: price. It becomes a brutal race to the bottom. That is not where you build wealth. This is where we zig. While the entire market is flooding one side of the boat, we're going to calmly walk to the other. The central idea is simple. As automation becomes abundant, genuine human connection becomes a scarce and therefore premium commodity. Think about it. You can buy a cheap, mass-produced coffee table online for $100, or you can buy a handmade table from a local artisan for $1,000. What are you paying for? You're paying for the story, the craftsmanship, the quality, the human touch. That's the future of every single industry. When all these businesses are focused on automation and saving money, then what's going to differentiate them to customers? What's the experience they create? So, what does this actually mean for you? It means that as the world starves for more genuine connection, certain business models won't just survive, they'll thrive. It means online courses and coaching programs with real, vibrant membership communities where people feel seen, supported, and connected to other humans will become priceless. It means in-person masterminds, workshops, and events, places where people can look each other in the eye, share real experiences, and build lasting relationships will become the ultimate premium offering. And it means service providers who go above and beyond to add that unforgettable human touch will stand out in even the most crowded markets. The future doesn't belong to the business that's the most automated. It belongs to the business that's the most human. So you have the right mindset, you have the right strategy. Now let's get into the tactical how-to turn an idea into real dollars in your bank account. This is also where 99% of people stop dead in their tracks. They get overwhelmed with the idea of launching a business. Or if they've launched, they're making it more complicated than it needs to be. The perfect website, the perfect sales process, the perfect marketing plan, all before they've made a single dollar. And they burn out, convinced they're not cut out for it. The secret is to stop trying to build a 7-figure business on day one. The goal is to build a $1,000 business, then a $10,000 business, then a $100,000 business, and so on. And it all starts with step 3, testing your business model. This is all about getting your first paying clients. We do this by building a minimum viable business, It's not about building a massive complex product. It's about getting paid to solve one specific problem for one specific person in the simplest way possible. For most people, this starts with a simple one-on-one service. It's your laboratory. It's where you prove your idea works. It's where you get paid to learn what your market really wants. My student Sasha Rose was ready to give up. She was exhausted from trying to follow all the complicated expert advice. And then she focused on just one thing, a simple 3-month coaching program. That was it. She brought in over $8,300, but more importantly, she went from feeling defeated to feeling unstoppable. She finally had proof. She had a real business. This minimum viable business approach is the single most powerful strategy for getting your business off the ground fast. And because it's so important, I've created an entire video that walks you through it step by step. Click on this next video and I'll show you how to find your $1 million idea and how to find your first few clients without any fancy marketing.